Chuwi has opened pre-orders for the UniBook, a 14-inch budget laptop that stands out primarily for being one of the first devices to use Intel's new Wildcat Lake architecture. It's currently priced at $449 during the pre-order window, though Chuwi says the standard retail price will eventually sit at $619. The laptop runs on the Intel Core i3-3304, a Series 3 processor built on Intel's 18A process. It's a relatively basic chip with 5 cores, 5 threads, and a 15W TDP. It does include a dedicated NPU capable of 15 TOPS, plus integrated Intel graphics that adds another 9 TOPS. That combined total isn't enough to meet Microsoft's 40 TOPS requirement for Copilot Plus PCs, so you won't be running intensive AI models locally. To hit the low price point, Chuwi made some clear compromises with memory and storage. The UniBook ships with 8GB of LPDDR5-6400 RAM and a 256GB PCIe 3.0 SSD. In 2026, 8GB is pretty limiting for a Windows 11 laptop, especially if you keep lots of browser tabs or apps open at once, and since the memory is soldered, there's no way to upgrade it later. Storage is a bit less of a concern though, because the internal M.2 slot can be swapped out for a faster PCIe 4.0 SSD down the line. The display is a standard 14-inch 1920 by 1200 IPS panel. It features a 16:10 aspect ratio, which gives you a bit more vertical space for reading documents and websites, and it covers 100% of the sRGB color gamut. It peaks at 300 nits of brightness, with a standard 60 Hz refresh rate. The components are housed in an aluminum chassis that weighs 1.2 kilograms, about 2.6 pounds, and measures 16.4 millimeters thick. For connectivity, Chuwi provides a practical selection of ports. The laptop includes 2 full-featured USB-C ports that support 65W power delivery charging and 4K display output, 2 USB-A 3.2 Gen 1 ports, 1 USB-A 2.0 port, an HDMI 1.4B output, a Gigabit Ethernet port, a microSD card slot, and a 3.5mm audio jack. It also supports Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2. Power is supplied by a 53.38 Wh battery. The $449 pre-order pricing is available until July 2, 2026, and Chuwi expects to start shipping units on July 20th.